Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sambal Matah. Sambal Matah is very famous dipping sauce in Bali, and normally we serve the Sambal Matah with some grilled chicken, grilled seafood, and some rice. And here I have garlic, shallot, bird eye chili, tabia lombok or big red chili, and this is kaffir lime fruit, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, sugar, salt, and coconut oil. So here I have some shallot and garlic that I prepared earlier, so we just need to slice it. We slice 5 shallot. And then we're going to use 1 garlic, and I'm going to slice it, and after that chop it finely. And we're going to add 1 big red chili and 2 bird eye chili, or we call tabia Bali. And I'm going to remove the seed. You can put more chili, or you can also skip the bird eye chili if you think it's too hot. So we're going to slice it thinly. And we're going to add everything to the bowl. And we're going to add 2 kaffir lime leaf. Just turn it to 2 and take the inside off, and small lemongrass. Just slice everything thinly. My grandmother always said that lemongrass, it's really make the Sambal Matah taste different. So we're not going to add much. Might be around 1 teaspoon. And we're going to add kaffir lime fruit juice. I'm going to use half only, and just make sure we remove the seed because it's quite bitter. And I will keep this aside for garnish later. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt, little bit of sugar. My grandmother always said, mix everything together until the water comes from the shallot. Smells so good. And now I'm going to add coconut oil. I just add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and this coconut oil I made by myself. So we're going to put in the small bowl before we serve. I'm going to put kaffir lime fruit that we used earlier on the top of Sambal Matah, so it looks sophisticated. And here we are, Balinese Sambal Matah. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur suksema.